Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, Savvyland, I think that's how you pronounce it, sent me some acrylics to share with you all. So this is the box and how it looks, and here is how you can contact them if you want to visit their social medias. So this box is a set of 10 acrylic powders, and they're just perfect for this time of year, being autumn and fall. There's oranges, reds, creams, all the warm tones. They are some solid coloured acrylics, so it's just a one colour, and there are some glittery acrylics as well. So I'll swatch them all individually for you so you can see them all up close, and then I will be doing a new set of nails on myself. The acrylics are very smooth to work with, as you can see, and they're quite pigmented as well, which is brilliant. I love how they choose the colour bundles for you, so in each set you get colours that are all complementing each other. So in this set all of the colours complement each other perfectly, so you can use them together or separately, but whatever combination you choose, the colours will match and complement each other. And you'll get to see that when you see me doing my nails after. So this set of nails that I do that you'll see later on has to be one of my most favourite sets that I've done. Absolutely in love with it. So I'll just stop talking now and let you all enjoy this watching.
I hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more. Draw a crowd, reel it in, take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd. Reel it in, take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. Peace. looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more. Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd.
Everything I've used will be linked in the description box below alongside any discount codes as well. So the colours that I'll be using in this set is wheat, cherry red, maple leaf red, and a glitter mix I created myself, mixing a few different glitters together. So I begin using wheat, and I'm just thinking up of a design as I go along. This is what I usually do. I just pick the colours that I want to use, that I know I like to use, and then I just make it up as I go along, so you see me changing some things throughout the set. So I first apply the acrylic on my index nail, and I'm building up the colour, making sure it's even on all sides, even on the side walls, making sure that it's all covered. You can use a one bead method where you pick up a big bead, start from the top and take it all the way down to the tip, or you can use however many beads you want. I just usually use however many beads I need, so I usually pick up one to the bottom half of the nail and then work my way up towards the cuticle. I do the same on my pinky as well, using the same colour, and I'm just working the acrylic down the nail, and you can see how beautiful the acrylic works and how pigmented they are. Then using maple leaf red, I apply that on the full nail. I think this colour is so beautiful that I just left the nail as it is. I didn't want to do any design or any other colours or anything, I just left it as it is because it's just gorgeous. Then I'm using cherry red and I apply that on the full nail of my ring finger. So this is a solid colour, like wheat is just a solid one colour. But after looking at it from different angles, I decided that I wanted to create the nail as a marble. So I started to do a marble design. The acrylic that I applied before was very thin, which is how I'm able to create the marble design. If I had applied cherry red quite thick and the nail was quite bulky, then I don't think I would have had enough space to create the marble, because then when filing the nail, in order to keep the marble design on the nail, they will end up looking really bulky. So because the acrylics are so pigmented, I only had to use a tiny amount, which is great. After I finish the marble, returning back to the index nail, so I dip my brush in clear acrylic and then I dip it into the loose glitter to pick some up. And what I wanted to do in the beginning was just a glitter fade, so starting most of the glitter at the top of the nail near the cuticle and then blending it down, but I just wasn't feeling it, so I just dragged it down and did the full nail with the scattered glitter everywhere. So then once I've spread the glitter evenly, I was quite happy with it, so I just left it. Then I apply some of the glitter on the marble nail just to highlight a little bit, and then I went and did the glitter fade on the pinky.
I hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
Then I'm replicating the design on my pinky on my thumb, so I'm using wheat at the nail tip free edge area, and then dip my brush into clear acrylic and then picking the loose glitter up and then putting it down near the cuticle and then blending that down. Now that I'm happy with all the nails, I just use clear acrylic to encapsulate the nails. When you're doing this step, this is where you create the structure of the nail, so you make sure you have the side walls even and that you create the apex and the back third of the nail. Make sure that the cuticle area isn't too bulky either. So all in all, you're making sure that the structure of the entire nail is correct. You see me constantly patting the nail. The reason I'm doing this is to make sure that the acrylic application is neat and tidy, while I'm trying to maintain the shape of the nail. So this will help with the filing process, since there won't be much to file if the nail is in shape. So I didn't record my filing because the video will end up being really long, but this is how they look after filing, and look how beautiful they are. I'm so in love with them. I just love how all the colours and the design and just everything about them, I love them. So I give my nails a quick wipe using acetone to remove any oils off my nails before I apply the top coat. I'm using a gel top coat. After applying the gel top coat, I cure them in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And that's us at the end of the video. I'm so pleased with how my nails look. I'm so surprised at how awesome Saviland acrylics are. I want to say a huge thank you to Saviland for sending me these beautiful acrylics, and a huge thank you to you guys for sticking with me and watching this video. I'm sending you all lots of love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!